Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things makeup related, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe. I created this everyday glam, smoky lash line defined crease eye look. There's some warm tones and some cool tones, and I use the Huda Beauty Empowered palette, and we're just gonna jump right into the tutorial. Shade I'm gonna go in with is a Sigma E35, and I'm gonna go with the shade Power, which is a matte orange shade. And I'm gonna blend this into my crease area. This is the only Huda Beauty palette I own, and I absolutely love the formula. The mattes blend out like a dream. I purchased this palette myself. I am a neutrals kind of girl, and I love the warm tones and the cool tones in this palette. So today I am going to be creating a matte almost every day, just like a all matte eye look. So I am just building up this crease, making it defined, nice and warm, are some of my top brushes to use. I've had mine for several years, like maybe 6 or 7 years, and they perform amazingly. So next I'm gonna take the shade Rebel. This is a cool tone matte taupe shade, and I'm gonna use an L'Oreal A20. And I'm just gonna take this and blend it right above that crease on the outer half of my eyelid. There's a few other products I really want to try from Huda Beauty. I heard her lipsticks are amazing. If there's any products that you use by Huda Beauty that you recommend, please comment below, because this is the only product I own. Actually, I own the cream bronzer, I just never use it. Yeah. I don't know why I don't use it. I just kind of forget I even own it, honestly. But comment below your favorite products by Huda Beauty. So I'm just adding the shade, adding some definition here at the crease. Back in with that previous Sigma E35 brush and just blend it out here. Don't know what's going on over here. I wonder if I didn't put any foundation there. I don't know, it's getting a little patchy out there. Next I'm gonna take the shade Keep Going, and I ColourPop E25. This is one of my favorite brushes ever. And this is like the perfect brown. It's a warm tone matte brown. I'm gonna blend this into my outer V along my lash line. I love an all matte look. I don't know if it's just because I'm in my 30s now. It's just like weird to wear shimmers all the time. The shimmers in this palette are absolutely beautiful, but I'm just trying to create like a matte look because I'm really digging the all matte looks now. I know eyeshadow isn't as popular anymore. I personally love eyeshadow, and it will always be one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine. Alright, so blending that all over the outer V area. I like how that turned out. Got a little bit of cool mixed with warm over in this outer V. Next, I'm gonna take that shade Legacy. This is a matte, like true chocolate brown shade. And I'm going in with a Morphe P5. It's just a brush that looks like that. It's like flat, and it's like a shader brush. And I'm gonna go with the shade Legacy. I'm gonna brush Legacy along my lash line. Just brushing along the lash line. I love a good smoked out lash line. Kind of smoked it out way too much in the inner half there, so I'm just gonna take a brush with nothing on it. I hope I didn't ruin this. And then just kind of blend it out Go with Legacy again and just darken up the, oops. I accidentally went in with, so I went in with a little bit of Confident, which is way darker than Legacy. And I'm just gonna mix those two together and blend that over here. I'm trying to just, a matte vanilla shade. This is the Mucho Happy Urban Decay Smile Palette. I'm gonna take this shade called Psyched, like a matte vanilla. I'm gonna tap this into the inner part here on top of that smokiness and just try and mute that down a little bit. Like that. Then I'm gonna go back in with that brush and just whatever's left on it and just kind of darken up the lash line a little bit over that. I'm gonna take that shade Confident in a brush that's like this. It's like a dome dense blending brush. I'm gonna take Confident and I'm just gonna buff that into the outer V out here, really smoking it out. Go back in with that Morphe P5 brush in the shade Legacy. Morphe P5 brush in the shade Legacy. I'm gonna blend that into my bottom lash line. I go back in with the shade Psyched and I'm going in with a Morphe GH38. I blend that into my inner corner. And my brow bone. I blend in those edges there. Sigma E40, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Power. And I'm just gonna blend the crease, the very edge again. Take a shade Rebel and the A20 by Ariel. I'm gonna blend that into the upper outer crease again. Dust away any fallout. I'm going to apply Lash and Roll Elf Mascara. Apply the Essence Nude Eyeliner to my bottom waterline. Apply some Ardell Wispy Lashes. Put the lashes on and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.